Hey, good evening, guys. Welcome back. You may have noticed the channel name change. Problem is, I had Maritime Scrapper on the side of my truck, and people thought it meant Maritime Fighter. Yeah, they couldn't, you know how people are, right? So we changed the name to Scrap 'em All, because we scrap them all, from fridges to sinks to cars to whatever we get a hold of, motors, bicycles. We scrap them all, everything. So, we Scrap 'em All is a great name. That is indeed another YouTuber. I hope you're watching. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's nothing mean. Alright, guys. What are we doing today? What have we been up to? Well, if you watched the last video, you'll know our son just graduated. So, I'm trying to think here when I did this. Let me see this yet. Let's take a look at this. So the 17th. So I'm thinking that was the day before yesterday we took a load in. It would have been, this is Thursday. It would have been Tuesday we took the load in. And we got the receipt for that. But Wednesday was our son's grad dinner and his prom on Wednesday night. Tuesday night, sorry. Yesterday, Wednesday, was the graduation ceremonies, and last night was his safe grad till 6 o'clock this morning. So I've been running him around and taking care of stuff, so. But then I posted a short graduation video of him. You know what I mean? So, the heck is this, and how'd that get in here? Oh well. I guess we're going to strip it apart, aren't we? No, it's full of water. It's not going to work. I ain't going to try it. It's full of water. All right. So, get rid of that. What we're doing today is just some odds and ends. We're almost cleaned up here at the yard. He's almost out of it. It'll definitely be out by next week. So, nice clean yard to work with. They are Phillips. And it's really nice having a nice clean yard. Well, the trouble with having a nice clean yard is a scrapper. You have to fill it again, right? All right, this one ain't gonna work. We need a bit of an extension. Where's my extensions at? I walked right by it a bit. Yes, I did. Here we go. All right, now we got extension on this bugger. And there's the screws out here. Of course, they want to come out. That ain't no problem because it is, watch your ears, guys, plastic. So it will come off. One radiator, now won't it? There we go. What's in here for goodies? Redress this off. Here we go. Now. Come on, you little bugger. See if we can get you out of here. So yeah, we've been quite busy for the last few days, guys. So I'm sorry about the lack of videos, but the good thing is, no more school stuff for the young guy. He's done. He's graduated. He's out of there. Now we can get on with his life. Whatever that's going to be. You got a few choices to make. There's no right or wrong choice in life. If it's the wrong choice, the one's not for you, you simply make another one, right? It ain't the end of the bloody world. See a piece of brass in that. Cut this end off here. Stuff's all thrown into different things right now because that's the way I am. Oh, it's nothing's sorted yet. Take this in here. Okay, so yeah, between his friends having grad parties and that, I've been on the go pretty steady for the rest of this week. But definitely not complaining. He worked hard to graduate. And set that aside. This is a heater of some kind. Get her all cleaned out. These off. Untie it so we get a bit more wire. There we go. So this will throw in the shred because there's wire in it. So you can get some money back out of it. So we ain't ripping them off at the scrapyard, that's for sure. No, there's nothing in it, it's just plastic. You don't send that because they don't get paid for plastic. So they don't get paid. You shouldn't be getting paid for it, guys. It's called a bit of respect, right? I mean, nobody in this business is doing it for the fun of it. Well, some people are, but they're the rich ones. The rest of us, we do it because it's an income. For some, it's just a backup income. Some, it's our main income. And why am I throwing it all in there? That's the wrong bucket, eh? Because I feel like making more work for myself. That's why, guys. You know me. I like to make work for myself because I'm bored. All right, so now throw this in the shred bucket. That's garbage. Let's get into this here. Get this extension now. It's in the way. More plastic. Get these off of here. And now this is all aluminum. That's garbage. There's a new one there. Now we're down to this little motor in here. Little piece of brass right here, copper actually. Get that off later. I'm gonna go fan blades out of the way first. All right. Let me hurry along with. I'll make your life easier. Ha ha. All right. Take these out. And look at that in there. Nice piece of brass. Like a lot of nice copper in there. So we're going to sort that out tomorrow. The wife's coming down tomorrow to help me. Tomorrow morning we're going to start early to try to get a good load away tomorrow afternoon. Or Saturday morning, whichever we have to do. It's looking more like Saturday morning. I want a really good load on This is right here. This is cast aluminum. So I'm going to get this thing off of here. Put this over the wife works first. This wife works spot. More copper. It's all copper she's got to go through tomorrow. Get all cleaned up tomorrow morning. And she's been a big help. All the small tedious stuff that drives most of us people nuts, she has no problem doing it. Which saves me a headache and a half. So yeah, this is cast aluminum too. We're just trying to find the screwdriver. There it is. There's one piece of annoying steel out of there. Now it's clean cast. Where's the other half? Here's the other half. I'll get over there, you. So this is what we're up to tonight. Cleaning stuffs up. And our yard is starting to look better. So this is after this weekend. There's a nice clean. See, that's gonna be clean there too. All right. Put this aside. Come on, you sit there. That'll work right there. Take out this little piece of stuff here. There's a real piece of filter there. And boom. This looks like it's brass. It is. There's my brass bucket. Okay, what did we get Wayne paid the other day? I had last load there in the video before his graduation. We got the load ready to go in. Let's see what we got that day, on Tuesday. Shred, we had 1,140 pounds, $90 a ton for $51.30. Number 2 insulated wire. 10 pounds, $1.40 a pound, $14.80. It went back up again. Extrusion, 8 pounds at $1.01 a pound, $8.08. Iron aluminum, 39 pounds, 12 cents a pound for $4.68. I had a couple of compressors, 23 pounds, 8 cents a pound for $1.84. Stainless steel sinks that I had, 16 pounds, 25 cents a pound for $4. Old aluminum, 9 pounds, 63 cents a pound for $5.67. Cast aluminum, 12 pounds. Oh no, 9 pounds, sorry, 9 pounds, yeah, 3 pounds. 56 cents a pound, $1.68. Yellow brass, 9 pounds, $2.67 a pound for $24.03. Grand total of $116. All right, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like the new channel name. And y'all come back now. Cheers. God bless.